Greetings, Smart Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert numbers into text right in our Microsoft Word document. If you notice right here, we have some numbers that we want to convert into words. Alright? So the first thing that you wanted to do, you wanted to block it. So when you block it on your keyboard, you're going to look for Ctrl, which is known as Control. So you're going to press Control and F9 together. Notice this is what I get. The bracket right there. Let me carry this off some more. Alright, so in between it, you're going to put the equal right in front of it. Then you're going to come right at the back of it, where you see the 5. You're going to put the forward slash right there. Right, so you're going to be looking for the forward slash. You put it right there. You're going to put also the little star thing right here. So you hold on the shift key and press the 8. Like that. You're going to type the word card text, which is TXT, like that. Now this is what you actually have right here. Don't take off the highlight of it, because if you take off highlight, not gonna work. If you notice, I have the equal right here. Put the forward slash right here. And notice the little star right here. By hold on the shift key and press 8. And then I type CardText. Now I'm gonna right click on it. Now when you right click on it, you notice it that said update field. You're going to click on that, and there we go. We have our number converted to word. Now we're going to do the next one. Then we're going to press Control again and F9. Good. We have it just the same. If you do it as equal like that, just click in front of it like that, and just put the backspace and we go back like that. But remember, you have to start it off with an equal. You put the cursor back here. Then you're going to put the forward slash, right? And they're going to press and shift and press 8 to get the star. And you're gonna type card text just like that. You're gonna right click on it and you're gonna click on field update. And there you go. You're gonna do the same thing for this one. Pressing Ctrl and F9 to get the bracket. And as soon as I get the bracket, you're gonna put the equal. Just the same. Alright, you go to the back of it, you put the forward slash. And I press the shift key and I press 8 to get the star. You're gonna type CardText, just like that. And then what you want to do is you want to right click, you want to click on field update. So this is how we actually convert numbers into text right here in our Microsoft Word document. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.